James Madison was born in 1751 to a powerful Virginia landowner. In 1769, he enrolled at what is now Princeton University, where he studied the liberal ideas of the Enlightenment. Due to poor health, Madison gave up on a military career during the Revolutionary War, entering politics instead. In 1780, Madison represented Virginia at the Continental Congress, a body of delegates that would create the United States of America. The Continental Congress ratified the Articles of Confederation in 1781. However, Madison felt the Articles left Congress too weak, with no ability to manage federal debt or maintain a national army. Madison argued the United States needed a stronger federal government split into 3 branches and managed with a system of checks and balances so that no branch could dominate another. This idea became the basis of the U.S. Constitution. In 1788, after extensive debate, New Hampshire became the final state needed to ratify the Constitution. Madison was soon elected to the newly formed House of Representatives and began drafting the Bill of Rights, which outlined the fundamental rights of each citizen, including freedom of speech, religion, and the right to bear arms. These amendments were unique for their time, for they stipulated that governments do not grant rights to the citizenry. Instead, the citizens grant powers to the government to protect the people's pre-existing rights. Madison eventually became the 4th president of the United States. After 2 terms, he returned to Virginia, where he remained until his death in 1836. The U.S. Constitution is the world's oldest written constitution still in use, and the Enlightenment principles it championed became the basis for dozens of other constitutions around the world. For creating a legal framework that has protected countless people from government abuses, James Madison is deservedly our 44th Hero of Progress.